Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select notification settings on the Jobsite application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and after that you should tap on the job alerts section and then click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can select the notification preferences and settings such as recommendations, so whether you want to receive notifications for suggested jobs based on your activity. Then you can also select the recent searches function, meaning that you are going to receive notifications for suggested jobs based on your recent searches. And you can also turn on the last function, which is expiring saved jobs, meaning that you are going to get notifications for jobs saved by you that will expire soon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.